Before anything else, I would like to welcome the parishioners from the parish of the Holy Sacrifice in Diliman, UP Diliman, Quezon City. Kayo ba yon? Taas nga ang kamay ng mga taga-UP. Bakit may kasama kayo mga bata? Daycare? Okay. So, welcome. So, tamang-tama yung ebanghelyo natin. It's about children. And Jesus praised the children. Of course, we know that children can sometimes be naughty, no? Alam naman ninyo yan. No? Hindi naman lahat ng pagkakataon ay kahanga-hanga yung mga yan eh. No? May mga moments sila ng kakulitan. That is why sometimes I am a little bit hesitant to present the children or the child as a model because we know that though they have good traits, they can also be, as I said, naughty. That's why this morning, I would like to present to you a model who is Jesus Christ himself. Let us not just listen to the teaching of Jesus, let us look at Jesus himself. Why? Because Jesus embodies his teachings. Jesus embodies his teachings. Yung itinuturo ni Jesus, nakikita sa kanya. Hindi kamukha natin. Ako, for example, no, magaling tayong magturo, pero hindi tayo magaling magsabuhay. Pero kay Jesus, kitang-kita yung ugnayan ng itinuturo niya sa kanyang buhay. So, what is the characteristic of a child that we can find in Jesus? Or what are the characteristics of a child? Number one, his childlike trust. His childlike trust. In Jesus, you can find a trusting relationship with the Father. Even in his suffering, in the Garden of Gethsemane, when he wanted to run away from the responsibility, in the end, Jesus said, well, let not my will, but your will be done. That is trust. Di ba? When you say to the Lord, Lord, hindi ko na naiintindihan kung anong nangyayari sa akin. Gusto kong umiwas, pero sa bandang huli, sasabihin natin, bahala ka na, Panginoon. Bahala ka na, Panginoon. That is childlike trust. Pagtitiwala sa Diyos na alam niya ang lahat at kung ano ang dahilan ng mga pangyayari. Jesus possesses a childlike trust in the Lord, in the Father. So, tularan natin si Jesus sa kanyang pagtitiwala sa Ama. Pag tayo'y nagdarasal ng Ama namin, ipakita natin na talagang ibinibigay natin ang kanyang buhay sa kanyang mga kamay. Lord, I trust in you. Father, I trust in you. The second characteristic of a child that is found in Jesus is his childlike wonder. Wonder. Yung paghanga. Alam nyo, itong mga batang ito, ang dali-daling pasayahin yan eh. No? Dalhin nyo lang yan sa Manila Zoo eh. No? Okay, medyo libre doon. Ngayon, kung gusto nyo gumastos, doon sa Ocean Park. No? Makita nyo yung sa mata ng mga bata, pag nakakita ng mga malalaking isda, wow! Nakanganga pa yun, ha? Okay? Nakanganga pa yun. They really appreciate the wonder that is around us. Pero kumisan, nawawala yun habang lumalaki eh. Many years ago, no, nagkaroon na ang reissue yung Star Wars, no? So, nanood ako, may kasama akong isang pare. So, paglabas ng movie house, sabi ko, para namang walang masyadong nabago, sabi ko. And then sabi niya sa akin, Monsignor, tumanda lang tayo. Tumanda lang tayo. Which is in a way true, no? When we grow old, sometimes we lose the sense of wonder. Hindi katulad ng mga bata. Jesus wonders, no? Sa mga kahanga-hangang gawa ng kanyang tatay, nandoon pa rin yung kanyang paghanga. Wow! I wonder how many times in the past, in the most recent past, have we said the word, wow? Wow. Meron pa bang nagpapahanga sa atin? Meron pa ba tayong kinagigiliwan? You know, I always wonder, no, with fireworks. No, kapag nakakapanood ako ng fireworks, no, ngangayan talaga, nganga, no. I wonder how many of us have kept that sense of wonder. Huwag nating alisin yun. Tignan pa rin natin sa paligid ang mga nangyayari ng may paghanga. Jesus is like that. His childlike wonder is still with him. And finally, in Jesus, we find the childlike humility. Humility. Kababaan ng loob. Kasi alam niyang nagtitiwala siya sa Diyos, alam niyang ang Ama, ang lahat sa kanyang buhay, nandoon yung kababaan ng loob. Alam niyo, minsan, pag nagkakaedad tayo, masyadong tumataas ang yung pride natin eh. Kaya tingnan niyo, yung mga bata, magkakaaway yan mamaya, no? Pero after some time, magkakabati uli. Di ba? Hindi nagtatagal yung away. Hindi nagtatagal yung galit. Away, bati. Tayo hindi eh. Away, 10 taon, no? Bati, no? Kung magkakabati, no? Di ba? Matagal eh. Kasi mataas. Mataas na ang pride. Let us be humble. Like a child. Like Jesus. Childlike trust, childlike wonder, childlike humility. Amen.